What about water? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to. Mama?
Oh, thank heavens for that. I knew you were one of mine. Now, your father has taken the others off for their first swimming lesson, so how about you and I doing the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind. Just the basics to get you started. Oh, it's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid. Can we swim out to that island?
Oh, good gracious, no. It's farther than you think. Why, I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting. And I didn't mean to go that far then. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do and you should take to it like a duck. Well, you should take to it. Hold your head up high, like the most happy feather, while down below each cry. A propeller must keep paddling, like the clappers, just keep paddling with your flappers while singing. To be dreaming at home.
Like this?
That's the way. Bend your knees. Splashy, please.
Sorry.
And steady. Watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign.
Danger sign.
That's fishing line.
Fishing line?
Which strangles if it tangles you up tight. He's unnatural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. Are you feeling full grown?
Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high, as if free from all troubles. Your back stays nice and dry.
But my bottom's in bubbles. Like the clappers, just keep paddling with your flappers while singing. To be dreaming and go.
Let's try a dive.
Whoa! Whoa!
Don't worry, dear. They're only fish.
Fish?
What a gift it is to drift. The talents in the balance and the poise. But as fish, we only wish that ducklings would try swimming with less noise. Slow the pace.
But I wanna go faster.
It's not a race.
It's a skill I could master.
Clearly, you are nearly fit to drop.
No, I'm not. I could go on all day.
Have a break.
I feel fresh as a daisy.
Your legs must ache.
No, they don't. Are you crazy?
So maybe, now my baby, we should stop.
Would one lap of the lake be okay? It's the greatest thing.
Just one life then?
Keep paddling like the flappers. Just keep paddling with your flappers while singing. To be dreaming at home.
Just beneath the surface, you may struggle to get by.
But nothing can deter you if you hold your head up
There, dear, that looks much better.
What did you mean when you said I'm not like my brothers and sisters? What's different?
Well, I'm sure you can swim much better than